Hello to dear followers. In this video, we want to explain how to fix a zip for having a knit sew and not to have protuberance teeth. First, start removing extra teeth from tape and make it suitable for sewing. Remove extra teeth and be sure that two sides of chain or teeth be in a right place like this way that you can see. Check teeth, and if there was an extra tooth, remove it. Use a slider body to zip chain. After that, with bottom stop, block end of zip. Therefore, a slider body never get out. After fixing this piece, press it by press machine. Hammer or any other instrument that is available. Press bottom stop for fixing it in the right place. We do it with press machine, just a short press on bottom stop. By doing this work, it never get out of it. Then do it for other side. Remove extra teeth. Test zip in leather border. Check metal teeth place and get out extra teeth to the end of zip. For having a knit sew, just sew tape off it. Do it for both sides and make sure they are in a right place. Be sure that get out teeth equally from two sides. Then fix two top stops. You can see them in my hand. With a short pressure, you can fix them in cloth or tape. Don't move top stops, and like bottom stop, use press machine, hammer or any other instrument that is available to press it in its place. As you see, when you close zipper or open it, slider body doesn't get out. Again, put zipper in leather border and check its place. If place of bottom stop and top stop were suitable, close zipper and sew it.